is it coming up twice? So weird. Oh, it's not being offered. Oh, it's probably like duplicated in a database.
What was the issue here?
So I'm on the item page and it's coming up twice for whatever reason.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm not sure why.
Showing up all weird too.
Yeah, it wasn't like this, was it?
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't. Okay.
I don't think so.
All right. Here's what we're gonna
Now
do.
John could still be doing some changes here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where he is on this.
Right. I'm just gonna copy this old thing and just put it over. I'll put the GitHub thing too. Well, I'm wondering why it worked on the other one. Is it because of that constraint you're talking about?
Uh, I really don't know. It's possible,
Hmm.
but the syntax here is a dash here or a whatchamacallit, a bracket, right?
Yeah,
On line 43.
yeah. I didn't even touch this page, so I'm just gonna go to
Oh,
GitHub.
I have no idea.
Yeah,
I didn't do this page either.
yeah. So I'm just oops. Oh, I see. Because we Sal was working on it a bit too.
No, those are just releases. Although that was all me. That was for the
Oh, that's you. Yeah.
I just did one thing with I just added a comment to item.php. I didn't actually change anything.
Right. So then we'll just do this. See if this works. But because we didn't change anything after that. So. Oh, okay. Well, it's not. Hold up. Oh, it's in front end item.php. What am I doing?
Oh man, I just did a full update on the server, and it runs much better now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did a sudo apt upgrade,
Good. Good.
and I did a full reboot.
So I'm hoping.
I guess there was a lot of clogged memory leaks in there, and I also put in more RAM
Oh, that's,
because I had the server running at point 0.6 or 600 kilobytes of RAM because I'm cheap. To be frank,
that's
and then because that cost me an extra $6 a month on my plan. Now I
oh.
beefed it up to 2 gigs of RAM, and now it's an extra like $25 a month. But
Oh wow.
we're only going to use it for another 7 days, so
Yeah.
it's no big deal. It'll cost me like a matter of cents.
Okay, hopefully. And if you want, we could always use these servers too.
Oh yeah, man, it doesn't matter to me. I just thought since we already have this guy, we'll just I just upgraded everything, so hopefully we'll be good.
Yeah.
If you want to try switching back to the other database server, you can. But I don't know where you're at here. I didn't. I wasn't looking too much.
I'm gonna use this one for now. It's the same schema anyway, so it's gonna transfer over unless we change the schema.
Yeah, go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Cool. I noticed that there is an issue, and the issue was like on line 41, it was just an unclosed PHP tag.
Oh, okay.
And I was trying to look at the original or something to see if there was like an original version that was like without that issue, but it didn't seem like there was. But then I looked here, and what I'm seeing here is different as well, and I'm confused because like, what is going on?
Oh yeah, this is you know what, you're right. John needs to do this because he still hasn't done lineage and stuff like that. So let's leave this go because I think he still needs to work on this.
Okay, well, this not being offered and stuff like that, we're gonna have to let him know. Oh shit! I'm streaming.
What?
I'm streaming. I accidentally streamed past. It's okay. Whatever.
Oh, I don't care. No, that's fine.
No, that's fine. Okay. All right. Just gonna let him know.
Okay, cool.
Let's go to our admin page. Let's focus on this. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's much faster. Yeah, the server just had to be restarted. How much do you pay for all this stuff?
I don't know, to be honest.
Oh.
I'm not even gonna lie. I have no clue because like, I have more servers than just these. These are just web servers, and the databases. But like,
Yeah, that's what I was asking you because you seem to have a lot of different assets and spaces across the web. So
yeah.
I couldn't imagine what your hosting bill is every year.
Yeah, I've been paying since like 2000 and I've been paying a bill since like 2013, and so like I was like 12, so like I've got used to it, and it's just through donations.
Wow.
People, I don't pay for it. People pay
Oh,
for
that's
it.
nice.
It's donations, so yeah.
Okay, so when you click review, it goes to the URL to 7. Okay.
Mhm.
So now we just have to have it handle that route.
Yeah. So I know it's going in here, but we want to make sure we're gonna check to see if it goes here. And literally, it's just gonna be. I don't know if you would call this unit testing, where you go one by one, check to see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, I know.
So it goes here, but doesn't go here because if this is set, then set. If this is set, I mean, if this is here. Or We're not trying to even look for this. We're trying to see if this exists. So we don't even need this. What was I thinking when writing this? Okay. If I do this. Oh.
There it is.
Yeah. And then if I do this. But it doesn't let me do the third one, so see this. Oh, cause it goes to the default. It's all making sense now. So it only.
It goes to the default case.
Yeah. Now it's working because of this. Okay. I get it now. Okay. That's why it's redirecting me. I was like, why is it redirecting me?
Okay, so explain it. What's going on?
So if the third thing is set, which should be the thing after the action in this URL, so 1, 2, 3. If this ID is available, then basically based on that, if we do a switch statement, and if this switch statement equals this, then review. If this equals this, then do this. But if it equals this, then do this, and then default take them back to index. And what kept happening is we kept going back to index as default because none of the values I was trying to access were actually equaling what's over here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so I think all we gotta do is just change it. That's it. We're done. Okay, now we can just work. Cause
dang. Okay.
But we're at least we're. Okay, this is gonna work. And this is cool that we have this custom. Yep. Okay. But if I do review like this, yep, it works. Okay. Fantastic. Over here, we want to do your code. Your code is here. I lied. Yeah. Wait, no.
Yeah, it's there. Yep.
Where is it?
No. Oh, is that the right one? I don't think it is. It's admin item approve.
Oh, okay, got you.
It's in the front end. Yeah, here it is.
Is this gonna be? Is this function only working in admin, or do we use it elsewhere?
Which function was that?
Review. Oh no, I'm not trying
to
show you the lyrics or something. Hold up. It's music stuff. One sec.
Confidential.
That's not confidential. It's just I write a lot of music, by the way. So like it's like
That's really cool, actually.
thank
That's
you.
great.
Yeah, it's like it's personal to me. I feel like so it's like for me.
No, that's good stuff. That's good stuff.
Thank you. Anyway, let's
Um,
yeah. So
yeah.
this stuff.
Um, so which function was that? Go back.
Yeah. So when you click review, you call a bunch of stuff based on the post data, right? And you get a bunch of data for the affidavit.
Yeah, that's a special function. That's only going to be used when you click review.
All right. So
We're not going to reuse that anywhere else.
okay, let's do this. Boom. We'll clean it in a sec.
Yeah.
So we don't need this because we already got the ID from here. I don't know what this says. Get something yet. Okay, and the ID is here, right? But what did you call it before?
Get
Item ID in this right here. Yeah.
yes. Yeah. That's the parameter I post over from this page. Or from the main admin page. That's just sent over with post. So item ID in, you'd get it from the URL.
Hmm. Oh my god. Oh, I shouldn't say that. But anyway, so. Okay. So what I'm looking at here is a query, right? But the query it just randomly stops, or am I blind?
Oh yeah, that totally stops. SQL. Oh, there it is. You were just there. That's the whole query.
Oh, where did it disappear at first? I swear it was like empty. Okay, yeah, I'm probably seeing things because like, what?
It might not have. It might have just copied the first line. That's what it looked like it did.
Okay, I see. Um, nope, I was using the other one. Oh, this looks good.
That looks good. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Mind if I just like go crazy? Just like, or do you want me to? Hey, go right ahead.
Makes sense.
We're not passing any PII here, so I don't think we'll need anything in the array, right?
Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Gotcha. See, this stuff is cool. We're just gonna take that bad boy and we're gonna use it later somewhere else.
No, sure, yeah.
Okay.
That's just taking the data.
Yeah. this part and this part. I'm gonna put this here just in case for later. Okay, I'm gonna return this like that. Or actually, like that. Okay, and then this stuff is cool. Okay.
Writing another case in here.
Yeah, I'm just refactoring it basically, but I see exactly what you did, so like I'm just gonna run through that way. I don't know what you're
Yeah,
getting.
sounds good.
I don't know what this is. This is item info, maybe.
Yep, that's all the item info along with the category name. All the item info I need. Yeah.
Table.
That was the that goes back to here. That's just a loop variable.
I see. Okay.
That was a loop variable in my while loop.
I see. Okay.
Row table.
Okay, I gotcha. I'm with you now. I'm with you. Don't worry. I got you.
Awesome.
So that does that. Item. So this prints out the item information, right? Okay.
The echo statements are all commented out.
Okay.
That just assigns the variables to the database data.
Okay.
So echo statements, I just put those in for debug statements,
Okay.
just to see if, as I'm putting them in, to make sure it's getting stuff from the database. Okay.
Okay. All right. So I'm so sorry. One sec. Trying to think. Okay. So this is the item and category, and then this is the result affidavit for when the consent is given.
That's correct. I had to do that in another query.
Okay.
So that's why I did it in another query, because I had to.
Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, you see what I did here, right?
Yeah.
And then I have a second one for the affidavit.
Oh, awesome. So we can just do another one there. Okay.
Yeah, and the query is already written.
Yes, the query was written.
And then my question is, are we using item ID again in the affidavit? Yes, it seems.
That's correct. We're using it again. Yeah.
Okay, and then this stuff right here, I believe So wait, one thing that I want to double check with you on is this right here. Is this the same as this? Where affidavit?
Yes, it's the exact same thing.
Okay, so this is actually unneeded now. We don't need this.
That is, yeah, because that's a leftover variable.
Okay, and then this condition we just refactored over to the other.
Mm-hmm. That's correct.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just thinking. So okay, so I got it now.
Oh, you're good. You're good. What's your question?
So we have the result alpha David right here from the this class, right?
Hmm.
The admin class, and
Right. So that while loop there really isn't 100% necessary because
oh
I'm only returning one affidavit for one ID.
okay, so
So I'm only going to get one result.
so could we abstract it from this like this affidavit like this, and then have the first index of that element first
Oh, sure. Yeah, because it'll literally just be one, right?
yeah, and then grab the attribute, or because it's this associative array, so it would be the first, or it'd be a key value kind of pair thing. So
Yep.
so we just get the value of a content like this,
Yes, that would work.
and then this is to print out just the heading like this.
Yeah, I mean that's just to print out the content of the affidavit. So yeah, we won't need that echo there. That's just to debug stuff.
Okay.
You can leave it there for now to debug it, or as we code to test,
Yeah.
but we won't officially need it
Okay.
because the other HTML code should handle that, displaying that in a form.
All right. Okay. Let's just you know what? Let's just save this and just look.
Okay.
So we have review, right? Specific item. One moment, let me just change this real quick. Switch URL location. Okay, this is case on review, right? So review is good.
Right.
Let me just echo something out here, but like I'm also echoing this and get through that. Okay. So I'm just trying to figure out where I'm like printing this from.
Yeah, that is weird, huh?
Yeah. So right. Yeah. It's confusing me. Gonna check on here real quick though. This should not even be coming up. I don't know why that's coming up. See, this is good.
Yeah.
So that means it's based off of this. So 2. So that means here. Oh, this wasn't saved. Okay, that worked. Okay. Okay. So in this case statement,
There we go. Okay.
yeah, but we gotta define something to ID because we're just putting in a null value is what it seems. So null value is
Right.
not what we want.
We wanted to get it from the URL, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Because the item ID is in the URL.
yep. So we'll do this right. Let me just in this case, let me just see what prints out first.
Right.
CPU that prints out. So we need 3.
Man, I can barely see your screen. It's so blurry.
Yeah,
At least the.
how about if I
No, no, no. It's not the zoom. That it's the top of the screen like blurs out. I think Discord just sucks.
oh man, we can move over to Zoom if you want.
No, we can keep going. If it gets too bad, I'll let you know.
Okay. Okay.
I'm getting by.
All right.
Hmm.
3. We're basically calling this function, grabbing the ID. This is supposed to return a result. I'm just gonna try to see if this comes up with anything. Oh shoot! Yes, it does come up.
Ooh, there's the blob.
So that's working. I guess it's working.
Oh yeah, it certainly is.
Yeah, let's just get out of there. Okay. That was nice though to know that works, but you don't need to see that right now. As row table. This should be working, but like it's not, so let's just try something real quick. So this loop is going through and it's assigning these so these variables, this isn't printing anything. This is actually just assigning variables, okay? So it doesn't print out item information.
No, no, yeah. There's no printing there. It's all just assignments.
All right.
Yeah, you're right. I should have said variable assignments. I don't know why they didn't pop into my head. Sorry.
No, you're good. Okay, after that. Oh, the reason why nothing's coming up is because we don't have anything coming up. Okay, here, let me look at my old code here. Yep, so this stuff right here. Oh, sorry. Excuse my swearing. Sorry.
You're good.
Uh, so
Okay.
this is supposed to return something, I assume.
Uncaught. I remember.
We'll take care of that in a sec. And I think I know why. I think I just remembered. Because we have just a null value here. Like that.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Oops, wrong one though.
And you fly through windows so fast, man.
Yeah. You're right.
Hey man, I think we're gonna have to switch to Zoom because I can barely see what's going on. Every time you switch a window, it gets so blurry.
Yeah. Please send me a Zoom link. I'll join that.
Okay, I'll send it to you. Yeah. It's nothing you're doing wrong. It's just the Discord just sucks with sharing screens. I think.
No, I get it. Don't worry. I'm with you.
Here, okay, I'll send something in.
Alright, cool.
Okay, this should be better.
Cool, cool. Alright, I'm sure my screen is.
Awesome. Okay, okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's like 10 times better.
I'm gonna have to bar onto this because I have no idea if this is returning anything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That tells us a lot more now. Okay, no.
Yeah, nothing's getting passed, huh?
Array's empty. Why? Because, let's see. Select a contact from affidavit for item ID equals item ID. Okay, let's just.
Is it not passing the ID?
I guess not, but we'll figure this out right now. Just as a reference, but. Oh, it might not exist. Oh, it only exists for item ID 7.
Yeah, but that's the only one in the table.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, but like I'm accessing one from here, so that's why.
Okay, okay. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I should have told you that.
No, that's good.
I totally didn't even realize it.
No, it's okay. We're making some progress, though.
Oh, for sure, man. We definitely are.
I do have to take a break to eat for a sec. Because, yeah.
Oh, sure. Just let me know.
Yeah, are you good with, like, I'd say, like, 30, 40 minutes, maybe 40 minutes?
Oh, yeah, Joe. Just let me know. Yeah, we can get back on anytime.
Awesome, okay. So, 8:40 could be a good ballpark, maybe. If that's fair.
Okay, that sounds good. All right, we'll be back on at 8:40 then.
Okay. Let me just let's just fix this affidavit, and then I'll get.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
What's going on? Did I spell it wrong? Oh, I spelled affidavit wrong. How do you spell affidavit?
AFFIDAVIT.
Oh, okay, that fixes it most likely. Okay, the affidavit's coming up now. Okay.
Yeah, that looks good actually.
You know, what was the thing that followed up? It was your. What page was that on?
Which one was that? It's admin item approve.
Admin item approved.
That's it. You're on the page. And what do you want to know?
Trying to see how we print this stuff out.
Oh yeah, you got to go down. Down. Here's the HTML. That's where we print everything out.
Okay.
I print it all out in this giant form.
Okay, so this is perfect because we just copy paste it. That's what I think.
Yeah, copy everything in that div because that whole div is a giant container.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. So just not save that.
Here we go.
It's looking good. Design
just
definitely come back at.
It's missing the styling. That's all it is. Can we get the Bootstrap CDN in here?
Yes, we can.
Man, you're a genius. I would not be able to figure any of this out. I'm just gonna be totally blunt with you.
Oh man.
I wouldn't get any of this.
No man, I learned a lot from you too. So.
Okay, I would be totally lost.
No man. Trust, it's a win-win situation here.
Oh yeah. Well, hey, we make a good team.
We do. All right, let's get the styling in though. You got it from this part.
Yeah, you can go into item approve,
Right.
and then that's right when you hit the HB line 61. I think it's admin 2.
Okay. Just add a note just related. What? How did that? Oh, okay.
I was gonna say, there's no way, dude. This looks perfect. This is exactly what it's supposed to look like.
This looks really legit.
Yeah, I wish I could resize these. These images are huge.
Where did you get this receipt from?
I just found it on Google Images.
Oh, it looks pretty legit.
I know. We should probably read. I know, right?
Yeah, no, I'm impressed.
That text area is a little small, but we can fix that. That's just a design thing. Yeah. Admin authorization. Okay, dude, this is exactly what it's supposed to look like, except for the text area, you know. Yeah. But other than that, everything else is exactly what it's supposed to be.
So where do we put the decree for the item?
Go down for me really quick, all the way down. It's already there. See, item affidavit. That's where that is. You're just echoing it twice. So if you just get rid of that echo at the top, you should be good. Of the back end or the front end. Okay. I don't remember where you put that. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you just echo that. Just get rid of that echo on line 56. This? Yeah, you could actually just get rid of that. But don't you have to assign it though? Oh, I guess you don't.
Wait,
okay.
I don't even know what I just did. Let's just refresh it. Yeah, we do. You're right. Yeah,
so do that for each again, but just get rid of line 56.
I swear, we don't need the for each loop. I'm just gonna try something real quick.
Well, I don't think you do because, we can get rid of it. What would you replace it with though? Because you need to find a way to assign that value, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna result instead of that. We'll change it to this, and we're trying to get this right here.
Right.
Okay, I think I could do this. So check me out. This is what I'm gonna do. Right here. Okay, we have this thing. It selects only one thing, right? So why don't we just do this? I think this will work. And this is a guess, but oh well. Like that.
Yep.
Then remove that like this, and then save it like this. There we go.
Awesome, man. That's great.
Yep. All right. Cool.
Wow. And then, so when you press submit, what it does is that will then bring you to another page in the back end that's called admin approval controller. .php, I think. And then that controller file will do the update query. So what the update query does is it doesn't update everything. It will only update the approve or disapprove. I just put it in a form because it looks nice, right?
Okay.
But the admin really isn't supposed to change any of this stuff.
Okay, so we can make the input read-only so user can't...
Awesome. That'd be great. So I try to put disabled in these input fields, but then when you put disabled, nothing posts over. Like the item ID doesn't post over, which is the most important part.
Yeah, maybe
So-
it'll work now.
Yeah, if you know how to do it, man, that'd be great. Because I put disabled on the inputs and then nothing posted.
Okay,
So
so like, for example, like the... let's try...
you could item ID is the most important.
okay.
Actually, man, it could nothing. Okay.
Let's look at this real quick. Hold up. So, disabled like this, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it. Wow, it's not working. Oh, wait, hold up. 1 second.
7.
Looks like we gotta fix this so the regular stuff works, but as you can see, this is read only now, I guess. Like that?
Awesome. Yeah, that's how it is. And then can you... Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. All right. So if we say... Yeah, so we'll have to see how it posts because we'll have to make sure that this value posts over to the next page.
Oh, we can do that without having it to... we can do that without a post method, and we can do that without it grabbing it from the input variable value.
What about the... Okay, so the only two things we need from this form, all the other data is whatever, right? We just need item ID, and we need, go down, it's the affidavit of quality radio button, and the approval and justification. So I need to tell what radio button they checked, and then what they put in for the justification. And my page does that through post. But we can rearrange that to the framework too with the routes.
Okay. Alright.
So that's what we gotta do next. But yeah, go eat. I don't know if you've eaten all day.
No,
Probably not,
no,
right?
I'm about to break it.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So go ahead. We'll reconvene around 8:40.
Yeah. You go with 850?
Oh, sure. Yeah, because we were over 10 minutes. Yeah, that's fine. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, let's reconvene 8:50. I can't meet for too long because I have to. I can't. I just I got work in the morning. So
we'll finish. We'll just focus on finishing the update functionality.
Yeah, because that's literally the last thing, and there's no display for that part either. The only display thing we need is when you go to that page and update the function, right? You update the item listing. I just need a message on that admin homepage that says success. This item has been updated. That's all I need.
Okay, we could do that. That could be done. And then yeah, after that, I'll just go. I'm gonna go solo. I'm gonna work on the PayPal integration.
That's cool, man. That's great. Okay, so we'll talk at 8:50.
All right, see you later.
See you later.